Hello and welcome. You're watching Markets Today. I'm Sakshi Batra, and this is where I discuss with you everything that's gone past in today's trading session, a wrap up of today's trading session. How did the Sensex and the Nifty close, and also what indications are you getting from the markets as we move forward from here as well? Well, at the midweek, we actually saw a roller coaster ride right from the word go today, opened with a sharp gap down of 1,000 points, but the markets were able to recover most of those morning losses. They trimmed those losses to a wide extent, and the Sensex managed to end above the 60,000 mark and also just about 100 200 points lower in trade. The Nifty too managed to stay above that 18,000 mark just by a margin, and also trimmed the losses by a wide margin right from the word go. Of course, Nifty Bank was the one that was that was responsible for pulling up the indices, the Sensex and the Nifty, out from those opening lows towards the end of the session as well, with the Nifty Bank really closing at record closing highs in today's trading session. So it was the day when banks and financials definitely took the lead. Also, the metals gained, but the IT stocks dragged, about 3.5% of a dip is what we saw on the IT major stocks in today's trading session. Now, what do the experts make of the kind of move that we've seen? Well, Deepak Jasani, who's the head of retail research at HDFC Securities, believes that the markets fell the least in the Asian region. Among the sectors, metals and banking rose the most, IT and oil and gas fell the most, and the broader markets continued to be subdued, with the advanced decline ratio still favoring the Bears at this point in time. Also, from the technical perspective, he believes that 18,088 and 18,092, that's going to be the resistance for the Nifty in the near term, whereas 17,765 would be the support. And the broader markets is definitely showing some first signs of distribution right there. So keep an eye out on how beneath the surface the markets also go around as well. As far as the other highlights are concerned, among the sectors, like I said, IT was the worst performing index today. That slept about over 3% in today's trading session. Along with it, we saw FMCG, auto, Realty, and pharma indices also slipping away. What still held up and managed to recover in trade? Clearly, banks and financials. Over a percent kind of a gain for the Nifty Bank today, 532 points of gain and 41,405 as the closing level for the Nifty Bank. Record closing highs. Now, newer highs approaching right there. That's the big question mark. Financial services up 0.7%. Also, the private banks and the PSU banks both up over 1.5% each. The metals shone bright as well. The second leader in the pack today, 1.5% uptick for that one as well. So these were the some pockets that were still managing to stay put in the green while the markets recovered sharply. And 0.4% of a decline was seen on Nifty and the Sensex today. The market breadth, like I said, was favoring the bears with 29 declining stocks on the Nifty 50, whereas 21 stocks ended in the green. What supported the markets and what recovered in trade? IndusInd Bank, the top performer on the Nifty index, over 4% jump. NTPC, SBI, Power Grid, and Kotak Mahindra Bank. These were the top leaders as far as the Nifty stock is concerned, Nifty index is concerned. When you talk about the losers, you had all those IT names: Infosys, TCS, HCL Tech, Tech Mahindra, down about 2.5 to 4.5% in trade. Also, L&T came into the grip of losers, 1.7% decline, one of the top five losers in today's trading session as well. The broader markets also decline in trade, however, just about flattish to a negative bias for the small cap stocks, but mid caps were down by 0.3%. The India VIX, the volatility index or the fear gauge, was up 4.5% today at over 18 levels. So that's going to be the key focus area going forward from here. Whether or not the markets will continue to be volatile will be depicted by this very index as we move along into the next few trading sessions remaining in today's trading session. Out of the other stocks that were in focus in today's trading session, Vedanta surged 10% after company's chip unit investment in Gujarat semiconductor foray of Vedanta. That really led the stock shining bright in today's trading session. Cement stocks continued their upward swing. Ambuja, India Cement, Dalmia, ACC all rising up to 8% as well. IndusInd Bank jumped 4% after positive brokerage house reports too. So those were the individual packs and the stocks that were definitely in the green in today's trading session. There was another stock, we saw GR Infra Projects that got transmission licensed by Rajkar Transmissions. The stock ended up 2.3% in trade as well. Tata Power was stock that was still holding up into the green. It's going to be developing 4 megawatts solar power project at Tata Motors Pune plant as well. So those are the other stocks that were in focus as we move forward. We are going to be keeping a keen eye out on how the global markets perform today. Of course, yesterday was the day when global markets, especially the US markets, were in a rout. 5% decline for the NASDAQ, 3.5% decline for the Dow Jones, too. Whether the markets recover on that front, that may actually help the Indian markets to rally further, because the sharp downtake that we saw in the opening levels today was only due to the US markets and the fall in their tech stocks, too. So, if a recovery comes, we may actually see some more push towards the upside in tomorrow's trading session. With that, I wrap up right here. But do stay tuned on to Business Today TV. A whole lot more information coming in on the world of business and stock markets for you. So don't go anywhere, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.